Life as a car owner can be full of little mishaps, things that are not your fault, and occasionally things that are. We've all been there. With Smart Protect, you're covered for minor scuffs, dents, scratches and chips, so you can stop worrying about what if. If the unexpected happens, making a claim is simple. First, refer to the terms and conditions you were given when you purchased the policy to confirm that the damage fits within the limitations described. Then, make your claim via our smartphone app. Just search for Auto Protect Claim in your App Store. Download the app, provide us with brief details, and upload some images of the damage, following the simple on-screen instructions. You'll receive an email confirming your claim has been received, and our customer services team will contact you if we need further details or to advise on next steps. Our technician will then contact you to arrange a time and place for repair that suits you. And they'll be in touch again before they're due to arrive to reconfirm arrangements. Our smart repairer will make a full assessment of the damage to be repaired. Then they'll get to work straight away. Using specialist smart technology, they'll return your car to showroom condition. Thousands of satisfied customers have now taken advantage of our easy, convenient and high-quality service. But don't take our word for it. Here's what our customers have to say. Any repair is guaranteed for as long as you own the vehicle, and don't forget, it won't affect your no claims bonus. Chips, dents, scratches and scuffs, all covered.